Hey, my name is Ashray. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Rephrase.ai. At Rephrase, we've been building generative AI technologies to take text and create videos. It's a really incredible technology. You should check out our website. But just to show you some examples, we've created some samples where say we're able to take
But has anyone seen
audio
Alexa?
like this
Hi, I'm Alexa. It's great to finally be able to have a face-to-face
and
conversation.
create professional quality videos of real human people speaking this text. We use it for a bunch of different things like sales personalization, corporate training, and many use cases. We now have the technology ready, and the now we need help in scaling up our sales outreach, and that's where this job description comes into place. Since you're a video focused company, the job is to take a list of people. I'll share LinkedIn profiles of all of those people, and based on a rough script that I will share, your job will be to create, say, between 30 to 60 Loom videos every single day. Basically, video recordings like these. Of course, maybe walking through their LinkedIn profile and maybe the website, but also sometimes through our presentations. So sometimes with the product, where you can write some text and create videos for them right away. These would typically be less than 100-second videos, which you would be creating. And the market that you create the video for and the script could change over a few weeks as we continue to evolve. As an example, we would start off uh, with us doing this outreach for corporate learning. So L&D heads inside large companies would be the first target market, but maybe a week or two down the line, it could become uh, sales personalization. So you would be reaching out to sales and marketing heads within companies, and we'll continue to iterate and A/B test on this. Uh, this would be different than your typical jobs. That all your output would be is just uh, either a Loom video link or something like that. Uh, we can decide on a call if you would be the one sending those out as well, or do you want to just give those Loom videos as output and I should send those out. I'm open to both models, but you would not be taking sales demos. Sales demos is something that I will do myself. So let me know if this is interesting to you. Because your final job will be to create videos, I would really appreciate it if your response to this also is using any video recording software like Loom, Vidyard, Vimeo Record, or any other favorite software that you want. You've got to be comfortable with talking into a camera and your face being recorded, because that's important for the kind of reach outs that we would like to do. I'll wait to hear back from you, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.